Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru Impreza Sedan versus Hatchback. We'll explore their key differences, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. Both models offer Subaru's renowned reliability and standard all-wheel drive, but their distinct body styles cater to different needs. Let's dive into the specifics of each to see how they stack up. When it comes to practicality, cargo space is a major differentiator. The Impreza hatchback truly shines here, offering a generous 28 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats. This expands to an impressive 55, 3 cubic feet with the seats folded down, making it ideal for larger items. In contrast, the sedan provides a respectable 12, 3 cubic feet of enclosed trunk space, perfect for secure storage. Beyond practicality, driving dynamics and aesthetics play a role. Both the sedan and hatchback deliver a very similar driving experience, characterized by Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and responsive handling. However, some drivers perceive the hatchback as feeling a touch more agile due to its slightly shorter overall length. Aesthetically, the sedan maintains a traditional, sleek profile, while the hatchback offers a sportier, more versatile look. Considering value, the price difference between the Impreza sedan and hatchback is usually minimal, often less than $1,000 at the entry level. Historically, the hatchback tends to hold its value slightly better over time, which can be a factor in your long-term ownership costs. Remember to check the description for links to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.